Hey guys, so another exciting video for you today. So as we come to the end of the growing season, we start to put pen to paper and start thinking about the growing season for next year, what we want to grow, seedlings, just all kinds of plans, all kind of excitement going through our head about what we're planning on doing next year. So we were excited when Mars Hydro Factory sent us an email about testing out some of their grow lights. Now what I have here is a Mars Hydro Factory TS1000 grow light system. They sent us a tent as well. We're going to get that set up and then we'll talk about some of the cool features, what it can and what it can't do. Alright, so as I unbox the light here, the first thing I want to talk about is the build quality. Now as you can see by the frame here, it kind of has like a hammered look to it that looks like it would be pretty flimsy, but it's actually not. It's pretty sturdy. Doesn't look like it's easy bendable. The LEDs, it's about 342 LEDs, which are held by some rivets here, so it's actually pretty sturdy. I don't think this thing's gonna fall apart by any means. The other cool feature on this is the dimmable feature. This can go from 10% to about 100% of dimming, and it also comes with this attachment here, which lets you daisy chain a couple of them if you happen to buy more than one of these light systems. Another thing it comes with is these cable hooks here, along with the rope ratchet for the height adjustment inside the grow tent. So again, very sturdy looking, looks very great. We're gonna go ahead and plug this in, put up the tent, and then turn it on so we can see exactly how much output this puts into that grow tent. So we finished putting the grow tent together, and as you can see, putting it together was no easy task, which is also a great thing because I think it's very well built. It's pretty sturdy. These tent poles are very sturdy, and it keeps it upright, and it looks very strong. The canvas is also a 1680D ballistic type canvas, so what that means, it's going to be very strong for the elements. Not to say that you're going to have this outside, but the temperature regulated inside, it's going to keep any outside temperature from interfering with what you're growing inside. It's a very good canvas. The inside is also a diamond mylar, which is very reflective and also very good for the plants in here. Another cool feature about the grow tent, it has a peek window, so you can keep this completely sealed up, and with that window you'll be able to see how your plants are doing inside there, what they're looking like, what they're lacking in, if they need any more water, whatever the case is. Another feature about the tent is it has a lot of these vents where you can open up some of the bottom, or you can attach an actual fan to it to regulate the humidity in there if you want to. That's one thing that I'll probably do, is buy a little humidity gauge to be able to tell what the humidity is going to be in there with the grow lights. Now the grow light is at about 50% right now because it's pretty bright. It's a good thing because whatever you want to have growing in there, you want it to get that full spectrum light from this grow light. I think it's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and turn it up all the way. This is at 50% right now, and that is about 100%. It looks extremely well, very reflective in there. I think the plants are going to do great in here. We can't wait to get some stuff growing in here, maybe some seedlings, maybe some full grown tomatoes. That's yet to be determined. Right now I have this in my office. We plan on moving this into the laundry room where we have more room in there. I just wanted to have a nice open area to set this up and show you guys exactly what it looks like. But the ratchet ropes here, extremely done well for the cables here to hold it and move it up and down. This thing will go all the way down to the ground and will go up to about right here. If you want it any higher, you probably have to remove the ratchet ropes and maybe somehow connect it up there if you want it higher. But I don't think you're going to need it that high. The grow tent is about 2 feet by 2 feet, and it is about 5 feet tall. So right now this is probably about 3.5, maybe 4 feet. The grow tent also has a floor tray that's made of the same canvas and the diamond mylar, which is reflective as well. That tray in there is going to be easy to take in and out. It has a couple of Velcro straps on the ends to go on the post to keep it in place. But it's very easy to take out, clean it up, drain the water, whatever you need to do. Again, very well built. I think it's a very nice grow tent, and it's going to do well for what we want to put in here. So again, this is the Mars Hydro Factory TS1000 grow light system with the grow tent. I'll put the specs right here on the side so you can see all the specs as far as the UMOs for the actual plants and stuff like that, so you guys can actually take a look at that stuff for those of you that know about grow lights and how much they're actually going to provide for your plants. But that's going to do it for the video, guys. We're going to do some updates here in the near future to show you guys what we're going to have growing in here and how it's doing for the next few months. So once you know, spring starts popping up, we'll have some seedlings in here ready to go outside, ready to grow some maybe herbs, some vegetables, even some cactus that I know Angie is excited to grow as well. But that's to be determined what we're going to put in here. Again, that's going to do it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.